Hey, I'm Tampa-based meteorologist Frank Gilmore. One member of your family that you can't forget about, you really shouldn't forget about any of them, but an important one is your pets, right? Your dog's here. Make sure you have enough food, water, and don't forget about their medicine to endure the duration of the storm. We talk typically 3 to 6 days worth of that food, water, and medicine. And usually a big thing during a hurricane, at least, is it rains outside, right? And dogs don't want to go out into those conditions. So you need a way to have your pet relieve themselves indoors. You can use a potty pad like these right here. You can even make your own. You can use a kiddie pool and take some sod and just put it into the bottom of that pool. That way they'll have a place inside to go to the bathroom so they don't have to go outside into the elements. Now, if you live in an evacuation zone, it's important to do some research now. Check with the county and try to understand where there are pet shelters or shelters that would allow you to bring your pets with you. In which case, it's going to be important to register your pet with the county so they know that you would be bringing the pet with you. Make sure you have a crate to take your pet to that shelter in. Also make sure you have all the paperwork, especially rabies documents and a picture of your pet. Now, if you're not going to go to a shelter, you can always go to a hotel. Just check ahead of time that that hotel takes pets.